is not a test. This is your emergency alert system announcing the commitment of the annual Purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the Purge. All our weapons are restricted. Government officials of Ranking 10 has been granted immunity from the Purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, and any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical service will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the Purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
This is an emergency action termination. All clear. The Purge has now been concluded. Repeating, the Purge has now been concluded. You are now free to exit your homes. But please be aware that there is massive damage to the area. Many dead bodies were reported to be found in destroyed buildings and even roads as well. Repeating, the Purge has ended, and all citizens are now free to leave your homes. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. We will now switch to regular programming.